Alright, we got a CSX westbound train down the line. We're at Lake Avenue in Blasdell, New York. Before we get to this video, I want to get this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and turn on post notifications, and let's get some trains right now. Seaboard sticker, all right. Symbol on that train is CSX IO-17. The IO-17 originates from Worcester, Massachusetts, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at Bedford Park. On to the next train clip. But on this Sunday, March 3rd, 2024, but running the Railfanning on YouTube. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Alright guys, we got a rail truck getting down the line. I'm not mad that they're going to shut down the crossings like before it does, because like I'm like, before the time I went to Canada, right, I heard this like truck and like back then, and it just pissed me off because I thought it was supposed to be like a CPKC train but back then, but here come it is. Okay, this doesn't matter to me because like, because in the curve when you thought of a train coming, it shouldn't be like that, so it has to be a trucker here, so of course it is. And that's gonna be on the last catch of the day. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more training videos by running the Railfanning on YouTube.